Woo! Dum da da dum da da dum da da dum da 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 dum da da dum da da dum da 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 dum. Well, I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bar, double round the crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. 'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls say I'm so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling blinging while the girls are drinking long necks down. And I wouldn't trade old Leroy on my Chevrolet for your Escalade, your freak parade. I'm the only John Wayne left in this town. Saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Oh! All right, this is you. This is you. You go. My evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of. And we made love, and I saddled up my horse, and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. What? Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.